Northbound on the IC, passing through Palm Coast. Looking at a Katie Krogen 39 truck southbound. Southbound. Homeport, Hilton Head, South Carolina. Let me swing back to the right. Have another boat southbound. What kind of boat is that, Chuck? It's a Veneto family product. It might be a Prestige motor yacht. It's an absolute 60. Good looking boat. I bet you it's fast. Got to be fast. 60-foot boat. They're both southbound. Got to be snowbirds. Running away from the cold front. We're running into the cold front. I'm already wearing long pants and socks.